5 health benefits of watermelon rind. Are you throwing away your watermelon rinds? If your answer is yes, you might be missing out on some real nutrition. Watermelon rind is the outer green covering of watermelon, and inside is pale to which red and pink flesh of the fruit is attached. Let's see what potential benefits watermelon rinds offer. Number 5. Weight loss snack. Watermelon is one of those fruits that are high in water content and low in calories, and people usually include it in their diet while trying to lose weight. While you use watermelon flesh to make smoothie bowls and fruit shakes, its rinds can be a great snack. This snacking option may sound pretty unconventional, but it is loaded with fiber. It combats hunger and promotes smooth digestion. Watermelon rinds also enhance your metabolism and boost the fat-burning process. Number 4. Help with erectile dysfunction and sexual performance. Around 52% of men suffer from erectile dysfunction around the globe. Watermelon rinds contain a high concentration of amino acid citrulline. L-citrulline is effective for increasing sexual performance and boosting libido with your partner. It helps with sex drive by relaxing vessels and arteries inside your intimate part, ensuring a smooth flow of blood. It has somewhat similar effects to Viagra. Number 3. Strengthen immune system. Watermelon rinds are a storehouse of vitamin C. A single serving of watermelon rinds fulfills up to 30% of your daily vitamin C requirement. Vitamin C plays a key role in maintaining body function, especially the production of white blood cells. White blood cells act as the body's primary line of defense against diseases and outside pathogens. Moreover, watermelon rinds help in the repair, growth, and formation of all body tissues. They boost our immunity by boosting collagen production and iron absorption. Vitamin C content in watermelon rinds also helps to fight free radicals in the body. Number 2. Lowers blood pressure. All thanks to the potassium content of watermelon rinds that are great vasodilators. They relax the blood vessels by dilating them and reducing the strain on arteries. Amino acids in watermelon rinds also help in lowering blood pressure, especially in obese people or hypertension patients. You can reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, strokes, and coronary heart disorders by having a portion of watermelon rinds every day. Watermelon rinds are also great for lowering cholesterol and blood sugar level. Number 1. Helps in achieving clearer skin. The antioxidant levels in watermelon rinds remove free radicals and boost collagen production. They remove toxins from the body, which makes our skin glow. They're jam-packed with lycopene and other antioxidants, which prevents the appearance of wrinkles and age spots. They fight blemishes and make our skin plump and more elastic. This brings us to the end of the video. For more health-related content, subscribe to the channel.